I'm Amanda Kutzmick.
And I'm Kathy Vortherms, and we're 4th grade teachers at RF Pettigrew Elementary.
And we're nominating Don Struck for a staff star. Don is our custodian at Pettigrew, and he has many tasks. One of the most important tasks is obviously keeping all the classrooms spick and span so that they are ready to run each day.
Each night Don comes into our classroom just to give us a quick smile, and then he gets busy vacuuming, emptying our pencil sharpeners, emptying out our garbages, and just does every little thing in the classroom to make it ready for the next day. He picks up pencils and doesn't want to throw away game pieces. You know, he just makes sure that he's very careful and cautious that things look great for our classroom.
Don shows up every day for work with a positive attitude. He really cares about building relationships with the staff. He always is getting to know us personally and really cares. He asks if we need anything extra done in our rooms.
Don is always willing to go the extra mile if we need a desk raised, or if we need a new pencil sharpener because it's broke, it's fixed, it's ready to go the very next day. My husband is actually a Y coach, and so he's in the building at night, and if we need anything, Don is usually roaming in the building somewhere, so he's communicating with those coaches coming in and out of the building, making sure the doors are open, turning off the lights, that kind of thing. So he's definitely all over the place and has a lot of different tasks to do throughout his shift.
If Don ever is absent for a day, we can definitely tell because we miss the little things he does, like picking up every single pencil off of our floor or making sure our whiteboards are clean. And every little thing he does just saves us extra work that next morning to prepare for our students, and therefore we can put our time into other activities for our students because we don't have to worry about the little things. Don definitely does help to contribute to keeping our students and staff healthy by cleaning surfaces well, the bathrooms, he upkeeps all those areas as well.
He's always wiping down door handles, making sure those are germ-free so that the germs aren't spreading amongst staff and students this time of year. And another thing too that he does a lot is the boots out in the hallway right now cause a huge mess with bringing in the snow and the mud and everything. And it's always fun to see him at night riding his little machine down the hall, making sure that boots are picked up and so that he can shine those floors for the next day.
A special job that Don has is he cleans the early childhood rooms, and with those little students they spill a lot of their food
in their room, so it's just
yep. So it's a little extra mess for Don, but he never complains, and I know that the early childhood teachers are always happy with the work he does to make sure that their rooms are very clean as well. Don is just such a special part of our community, and he takes the time to build those relationships and just has a great sense of humor. Yes, we know that he maybe doesn't want this attention, but he is so deserving of being recognized for all his hard work.